feel like I've completed all the wood parts. There might be one other set of latches to make, but I'm not sure how they're going to go, so I'm not going to make them now. These are the floor pieces for the storage area under the cabinet, or the bottom cabinet. We have the end pieces. Nice wide base that it's going to set on the table legs. We have the side panels. We made little latches. These will come down. Will be up like this. And then once the side panel goes in, we'll move them to hold it. Kind of stiff, but that's okay. They're not going to be moved much. And the base and the legs. So I'm going to take a break and then come back out and we're going to start oiling. So that'll be exciting because it really brings out the color of the wood. I may use tung oil on the stone and then linseed oil on the rest of it. So I may do the stone area first. Okay, let's take a break and then we will start oiling. Getting this ready to put together. Oh, we still have to, oh gosh, that's right. I forgot, I need to drill out the side holes. So, gosh, I think I'll think about that on the break. Maybe that'll be the next step because I would like to drill them out and then sand them off and then oil. But maybe I'm going to have to oil everything, get it all put together, and then drill them out on location. Because I was going to put the rods and everything in there anyways, and then I can just oil that area before I put the rods in. So maybe that's what we're going to do. I have to think about it, but I'm thinking that is because I can't just, the problem is I can't just turn this over. I can't let it sit on these edges here. It's not going to sit, and it's so deep I'd have to prop up my table somehow, put fillers in there so it would sit on this base, which is the playing surface, and I'm not sure if all that pressure on the playing surface is a good idea either. I would hate to move that or something. So I'm pretty sure it's going to get oiled, all set up, and then I will drill out for the rods and get everything else put in. Okay, let's take a break.